Hey guys, it's me Rahul. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all the things that you need to know about WhatsApp business and how to set it up completely. This is a complete tutorial in which I will show you how to set up the account, list items, automate messages, and how you can use labels to make everything easier. Feel free to skip through the chapters if you want to skip to a particular part of this video. Starting with downloading WhatsApp Business. You should always download WhatsApp Business from the Play Store and avoid using any WhatsApp modes. So search for WhatsApp Business in the Play Store. This is the one. Install it, then open the app. You cannot create a WhatsApp Business account with the same number as your personal WhatsApp. Both can't be active at the same time. So use a different number and register the account. It's the same as creating a WhatsApp personal account. Once you put in the number, you will get a verification code sent to you. Type that here and your account is almost ready. After that, you will get a screen like this. You can upload your business logo or store from here as the profile image. Then type in the name of your business here. Then you need to choose which category your business belongs to. Then tap on Show More Options, which will reveal a couple of more options, description and the location. Type in the description that you want customers to see when they visit your WhatsApp account. Then location, you can type in your address here. Then tap on Next. Then it should give you a pop-up to explore business tools. Tap on Explore. Then our first option is Business Profile. Here we give the complete details about our business or store. So the things you type already are here. You can edit it if you want, or else you can add more details. So the first one is business hours. So with that, you can specify when your business or store will be open. Basically the time you will be available for business, like opening and closing time. So there are three options: open for selected hours, always open, and by appointment only. The last two options are exactly what it says, and the first option gives us the ability to set opening and closing time. So when you tap on it, you get a list of days. So you can tap on this toggle right next to the day if your business will be opened on that day. So if your business will be open only on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, enable those toggles. Then you can put in the opening and closing time. In case you have a break in between, tap on Add a set of hours and add the timings after the break. Let's say you are opening at 9 a.m. and closing at 1 p.m. for lunch, then again 2 to 7. So this is how you will put it. Hope things are clear. Then the next option is email. You can give your contact email here. In case the customer wants to contact you over email, the customer can find it in your WhatsApp profile if you put your email right here. Then you also have the option for adding two websites that are related to your business. In case you want to change the profile pic, tap on this icon and choose another photo. All these details will be available on your WhatsApp profile page and customers will be able to see it. So the next option is catalog. This is basically your showcase page. You can list the products and services you sell here along with photo, price and details. So let's see how it's done. So go to the catalog menu and here you have an option to add a new item. Tap on it, then add photos of your item that you want to sell. You can add multiple images, then type in the name of the product, then price, then the description of the product. If you tap on more fields, you can give a link to the product page if you are already selling it on an e-commerce website. And there is also a space to provide the unique item code. If you have unique IDs for every product that you sell, you can give those here and keep track of things easily. Next one is away message. So you can automate replies using this. So basically, let's say you are not online and your customer has messaged you. If you have set away messages, WhatsApp automatically reply with a custom pre-saved message. So this is how you set it up. So enable this toggle, then here you can type in the custom message that you want to automatically send to customers when you are not online. The next option is the main one. First one is always send. So this option will always send the away message if you are offline on WhatsApp. This is not a good option. The next one is custom schedule. This can be helpful if you are taking a vacation and you can't reply to customers. So set a time and date, and whoever message you on WhatsApp within that period will get this message. The next one is outside of business hours. This is pretty self-explanatory. In one of the previous settings, we had an option to set business hours. So if you choose this option, WhatsApp will automatically message them if they message you outside business hours. So if you have set your business will be open till 7 p.m. and if someone message at 8 p.m., WhatsApp will message them back with the away message. Next option is receipts. I think you should keep this to everyone. Basically, this option tells whom to send the away messages to. After you have set things up, tap on save. The greeting message option is pretty much the same, that you can set up an automated reply when customers message you first. It should be like a thank you for contacting kind of message, a greeting message. Tap on toggle to enable it, tap here to edit the default greeting. Next one is quick replies. This is super helpful to make a shortcut for all those frequently used messages like how are you, what products are you looking for, etc. You can type these messages in and assign a shortcut to it. So tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut, then type in the message. You can also add a photo, then the shortcut. I'm going to type proud. You can also add keywords, but that isn't fully functional yet. So once you save it, here is how you can use it. To use shortcuts, type the / followed by the shortcut word and tap on the shortcut message. That's it. This is super helpful. Labels is the next option, and it might be the most underlooked feature of WhatsApp Business. So labels allows us to tag a message or a contact with a label so we can group them very easily. You can add new labels by tapping on this plus icon. Okay, I will show you an amazing use with this. Let's say you got orders from a couple of people and they have sent their address. You select the address and label it as paid. So when you go back and tap on the 3-dot labels, and here you can see all those messages that you have labeled as paid. So a really nice way to organize your orders and anything in general. Definitely make use of this. You can always create new labels which will help you with your business. You can generate QR code as well as URL for your WhatsApp business account by tapping on short link. You can also set a custom default message when customers open the link that they can send you showing interest. And the last option is to link your WhatsApp business account with Facebook and Instagram. You can do that to get more reach. That's what, at least that's what Facebook says. So that's been it. That's all you need to know about WhatsApp Business. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye.